everyone, and a special hello to you for watching this video. Okay, today it's little Daren's turn for him for some clothes. I made some patterns here. I'll show you now. I'm just gonna make two more with it. This is a sock and then a piece of t-shirt, stretchy material, and I'm gonna make him a beanie. And this is a simple pattern I'm going to use. This pattern like for in the baby, where I just work on the lines. And I have got another pattern if you want to use that for like materials not stretchy like this. Denim I made him here with this pattern, and then just put a little velcro in the back for him. So yeah, but I'm going to use this so my easy pattern today. And then of course I'm going to make him a shirt as well, also on a very easy pattern that you just go on the lines. So yeah, first of all I just need to cut this out and show you how this pattern looks. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so for the shirt, this lines is just there if I want to make it a short sleeve, and like the pants, if I want to make it short pants or pants for the knees, and yeah, as well short pants. So that's why this markings is there. So I'm gonna start with the and why I'm cutting this in is like then if I use stretchy material like the sock here, I don't have to worry about elastic band because it goes in for that. So yeah, let's carry on with this. First I'm going to make a machine. I'm not going to use that pattern, and then I'm going to use this one for the shorts. And first I'm going to make him that's for the beanie, the shirt. So I'm just going to fold the material inside out, paste this on a fold, Okay, and there you go. Our boy in his little um, pants and shirt. I think it came out real cute. And if you want to see how I made this jeans, sweater, and even shoes, I will put some tags in the corner here, and you will go and see where I made this outfit for him. And then for now it's this one. So next one is a little onesie I'm going to make him. So see you in the next one. If you like this video, press that like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to my channel and push that little ring bell for a notification. So until next time, bye.